Objective: set the pattern edges or seam allowance for each pattern piece. There should be a red line offset around each pattern piece. If there is not, check that the ExactFlat option has a default pattern edge template set. Click Apply and OK once set. In the Pattern Edges section of the ExactFlat toolbar, click the magic wand button, then select each pattern piece to apply the seam allowance and restore the new default settings. Click the Set Pattern Edge button in the Pattern Edge section of the ExactFlat toolbar. Pick from one of the templates, then hit Apply. Select the edge of the pattern piece to apply the new seam allowance. Templates with Apply Twin set to Yes will apply the seam allowance to the selected edge and its neighboring edge. Tip: custom pattern edges can be created in the Pattern Edge Template Editor, as well as editing existing ones. Key result: apply pattern edges or seam allowances to all pattern pieces.